Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to do the FPS drop test in the POCO X8 Pro after the recent software update. So let's do the 120 FPS drop test in the POCO X8 Pro device. And you can see the real-time temperature readings also, the real-time FPS and real-time temperature, how much it is at the time when I'm starting this video recording. So it's kind of close to like 32 degrees Celsius it's maintaining at this moment. So which is not bad, and the overall FPS is kind of maintaining like 106, 108. So 116. So right now the FPS dropped to 81, 74 as well a little bit. Yeah. And recently the POCO F7 also got an update. So Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. So after 1 year of time, the device did receive the update. So which is a POCO F7 device. I did upload the videos. You can check those for more information. But the POCO X8 Pro did come by default, like from the beginning with the 120 FPS. You will be able to play without any issues with the 120 FPS overall. So you can see how his FPS is kind of maintaining consistently. I'm going to do the multiple FPS drop test as well. So in this video, so just to get a clear idea, and the temperature is kind of slightly increasing little by little. You can see right now the temperature did increase a little bit, 33.9 it's showing. So here's another FPS drop test. So which I'm trying to do right now. So this FPS drop test, which I'm trying to do after the recent software update, it's been like 1 week. The update has been released. I'm going to do the long-term review as well regarding the software update. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. Regarding the heating issues, which I'm going to cover the topic tomorrow on the POCO X8 Pro device. I'll try to upload the video as soon as possible. And right now you can see the FPS, how it's kind of maintaining. So you can see FPS, it's maintaining like 117, 115, 118, not bad. And temperature is about like 37 degrees Celsius. It did increase a little bit. So right now you can see the temperature did increase up to 40 degrees Celsius at this moment, slightly higher. So 112, so real-time FPS. The temperature is kind of 40 degrees Celsius right now, as you can see, 40.1 degrees Celsius, the temperature. Right now, the temperature is also increasing to 41 degrees Celsius. So right now, it did increase the temperature. So this is a quick gameplay review, guys, about the POCO X8 Pro regarding the after the recent software update. So this is how the FPS drop test is. I'll try to do the complete validating test as well. I started with the 85%. Right now it's 80%. So like it did drain quite faster. So meanwhile, stay tuned for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.